Oxford Vocabulary. Each, every individual item or person in a group. Ear, the organ on the side of the head used for hearing. Early, happening or done before the expected time. Earth, the planet we live on, or the soil or ground. East, the direction toward the rising sun. Easy, not difficult or requiring much effort. Eat, to consume food. Education, the process of teaching or learning, especially in a school or college. Effect, a change or result that is caused by something. Effort, the use of physical or mental energy to do something. Eight, the number between 7 and 9. Either, one or the other of two people or things. Election, the process of choosing someone for a public office by voting. Electric, relating to electricity, or powered by electricity. Else, in addition to something or someone. Employee, a person who works for someone else or for a company. End, the final part of something, or to bring something to a close. Energy, the strength and ability to do physical or mental activities. Enjoy, to take pleasure in something. Enough, as much as is necessary or sufficient. Enter, to come or go into a place. Environment, the surroundings or conditions in which a person, animal, or plant lives or operates. Especially, more than usual or more than others. Establish, to set up or create something, such as an organization or system. Even, flat, smooth, or equal in amount, are used to show contrast. Event, something that happens, especially something important or unusual. Ever, at any time, or always. Every, each one of a group or series. Everyone, every person, or all people. Everything, all things, or every single thing. Evidence, facts or information that prove something or show whether it is true. Exactly, in a precise or accurate manner. Example, a specific case or instance that is representative of something. Expect, to think or believe something will happen or be the case. Experience, the knowledge or skill gained through involvement in or exposure to something. Expert, a person with a high level of knowledge or skill in a particular area. Explain, to make something clear or easy to understand. Eye, the organ in the body used for seeing.